In keeping with the current theme of late, of self-isolation, I'm literally going to work from my garage today rather than go to the shop. And I thought I would challenge myself to some welding complexities. In my own driveway, I plan to repair a gate that I actually custom built maybe a year ago that was damaged by a vehicle. And I'll show you some footage here in a second. With minimal tools. Part of me, I guess, is just being lazy. Maybe I don't want to go to the shop. So let's get to it. Take a gander. Even yanked pickets out of the frame. My welds didn't give. The frame did. Look at this. All right, here she is, done, repaired, straight as a board. We have some primer curing on there right now. So obviously that's all original down to right here. And that's just been replaced.